Welcome back to the channel where we simplify mobile browsing and help you get more control over your apps. In today's video, I will show you how to customize search suggestions in Via Browser on your mobile phone, so you can decide exactly what appears. First, open Via Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. Inside Settings, find and tap on Search Settings. After that, tap on Search Suggestions to access the customization options available in Via Browser. Here, you can choose what types of suggestions you want to see, such as browsing history or search history, depending on your preference. Finally, once you finish selecting the options you want, tap on OK to save your changes and exit the Settings menu. These changes will now apply every time you use the search bar in Via Browser. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.